Hey, we're from the Jasper. Today we're going to be discussing the lesson 2 and 3 of Media and Information Literacy. Let's start off with lesson 2, the production, organization, and dissemination of motion information and media.
Through the use of innovative technology, motion information can be easily produced. This will happen when all necessary elements are combined to come up with a mise-en-scène or the setting of the motion picture, which includes everything seen in a frame.
Now, there are the different ways to get the raw elements in producing videos.
But first, what is RAW? RAW refers to the actual video footage that's been taken freshly without being tampered and edited.
Now, let's get back to the ways we can produce videos.
First, we have the film recording, where a light-sensitive film negative is used to capture motion film. The classic movies you usually see are filmed this way.
Meanwhile, we have the digital recording. It's a recording using a digital camera recording device like the Allyssa Ari, Red Helium Pro, and of course, our smartphone.
After a couple of decades of improvements, we came to a point where we focus more on producing motion media digitally.
And that's why we edit videos today digitally. With video editing software like Avid Media Composer, they are known for producing Oscar-winning films and are the top choice of editors for producing Hollywood movies.
Final Cut Pro, created by Macromedia Incorporation and Apple Incorporation.
And of course, the Adobe Premiere Pro, which is somewhat non-intuitive and is produced by Adobe.
Let's move forward to the next lesson. Lesson 3, the selection criteria for motion and information media. There are 4 main criteria in the selection criteria in motion and information media.
First, it needs to be catchy. Motion information is advantageous because of its visual shown. It tends to get the viewer's immediate attention.
Second, it has to be concise. Integrating elements must be complete and easy to understand. It should have the ability to integrate elements in a way that it will not be misunderstood.
Third, it must be comprehensive. The ideas that are necessary cannot be excluded from a presentation because information will be incomplete without it.
And last, it should be convincing. Videos in motion information has to be convincing and persuasive as possible.
Meanwhile,
Motion information has to be assessed and evaluated given its dynamic nature.
There are no specific criteria for each kind of video.
But there are standard measurements and assessment that can be considered to at least
Make this kind of information effective.
By considering and employing this,
Then, motion information in general is able to earn credibility and validity in the eyes of the viewers.